Hi, are you looking for a property in the IT hub of Pune and from some place जहाँ से आपको हिंजेवाड़ी के सभी phases काफी नजदीक पड़े? You are right now standing with me at Man Hinjewadi, and this is Property Cloud. With me, Ekta Kapoor. Property Cloud is India's only prop tech online portal for properties. Now, what does a prop tech portal mean? This is the place जहाँ पे आप कर सकते हैं virtual site visits of all the projects that you want to see, and then once you decide कि कौन-कौन से projects के आपको physical site visits करने हैं, then our relationship manager will take you on these property site visits with absolutely free pickup and drop service. And because we connect you directly to the developers, that's the reason we also do not charge any brokerage, and Property Cloud will give you the best offers and schemes because there are no middlemen. Well, today, me, Ekta Kapoor, I am bringing to you this special project which is called as the Gale at Godrej Park World. Now, what is so special about this project? Let me tell you while I'm also showing you the project 3D model. Let's go together. Now, here I am standing right outside the project's 3D model, and यहाँ पर already these three towers, that is Tower 3, 4 and 5, have been sold out. Now, there are total 5 towers in a total land parcel of 6.5 acres, and because there is 6.5 acres of property, there is going to be a lot of open space for amenities. These 2 towers that you can see are the ones that are open for sale right now, and in Tower 1 there are 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs, and in Tower 2 there are 2 BHKs, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs as well. Now let's talk about the amenities. As you can already see, there is a lot of podium amenities over here, and there is also a swimming pool right over there along with all the open area. And on the ground floor, there are so many multiple amenities for the kids like basketball court, open gymnasium, kids play area, gazebo, senior citizens sitting area is located on the podium floor, and all of these amenities are also an addition to the rooftop amenities that they have. Now, in case you are wondering what else is so special about this project, let me tell you again the location. The location, as I said, is Man Hinjewadi, and from here, be it phase 1, be it phase 2, all the phases of Hinjewadi are just about 10 to 15 minutes distance, and Infosys Circle is just about 10 minutes from here, and there is also an upcoming metro station which is going to be hardly 5 minutes from the location. And also, they are also taking EOI right now for these 2 towers. These 3 towers are 90% sold out. There are just a few units left, but the EOI for Tower 1 and Tower 2 have already been started. The EOI amount is 1 lakh rupees, and by paying this expression of interest, you can avail multiple benefits. For example, you can also select your own inventory, and also you will get special offers and discounts at the time of launch, so you will be given priority in case you have an EOI, and this amount is also refundable. So now if you also want to know what is the process for booking the project or coming over here for your EOI, it's very simple. Captions mein there is a link mentioned for Property Cloud. All you need to do is simply click on that link so that you can go ahead and get registered with us, and we can bring you over here and show you the whole project. Well, isn't it all very simple? Do let us know in the comment section what do you think about the Godrej Park World, the Gale, this project and the other projects that you're seeing. Stay in a conversation with us. Thank you. And here I am standing right outside the township. Now, why do I have to say this? Because this is a total land parcel of 100 acres. That's right, Godrej Park World is located in a total land parcel of 100 acres, and I cannot actually be standing outside to show it to you, so that's the reason we got to you this. Now, this is where the Gale is going to be located, and from here you can already see this central greens, which is of approximately 12 acres, and the master clubhouse is of approximately 85,000 square feet area, and this is the plots that we just saw. Now, these are going to be the 205 plots that are going to be available from this particular township. There is a school, there is a land dedicated area, there is going to be future development, there are commercial developments. On the top you can see Godrej Woodsville, which is already sold out. So this is by far one of the most planned townships that you can come across in Pune city. This is Godrej Park World for you. Stay tuned for more such amazing project videos. Thank you.